Introduce highlight features or overview summary for READYXIO Wireless CarPlay Adapter, 2023 Upgrade, Plug and Play Wired Convert Apple CarPlay Wireless Adapter. You can find wanted, shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include: CarPlay Wireless Adapter. iPhone Wireless CarPlay Adapter can turn your car with wired CarPlay function into wireless CarPlay, say goodbye to plugging in your iPhone and say hello to wireless convenience. Enjoy hassle-free access to calls, messages, music, navigation, Siri, and more. Plug and play effortless installation. Enjoy a hassle-free experience with the Apple CarPlay dongle. Just plug the adapter into your car's USB/Type-C port, enable Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on your iPhone, connect to the car's Bluetooth, and instantly upgrade your infotainment system to wireless Apple CarPlay, compatible with the latest iOS 10 Plus. Enhanced car connectivity. Experience seamless car integration with the CarPlay wireless adapter. Enjoy voice control, phone calls, GPS navigation, iTunes, music apps. Interact effortlessly through your car's built-in display and controls, or utilize the Siri Eyes-free feature. Make calls, listen to music, send/receive messages, and navigate safely and conveniently. Wide car compatibility. Add Apple CarPlay to any car. The wireless auto car adapter is compatible with the majority of wired CarPlay cars. It comes with a USB to Type-C adapter, making it suitable for various car brands including Audi, Mercedes-Benz, Porsche, Chevrolet, Ford, Volvo, Volkswagen, Lexus, Hyundai, Honda, Toyota, Mazda, Land Rover, Jeep, Subaru, and more. If you want to get full highlight features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, you can press to subscribe and press the bell, select all and press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.